Hi, this is Jana. Welcome to our holiday kitchen. Is it this is just tis the season, don't you think? Tis the season for all of these things that we don't eat all year long. And so this is a perfect project to do with your children, your grandchildren, your neighbor kids. And so they now make Rolos already unwrapped. Unless you want to buy the wrapped ones to give them something to do. They're already unwrapped. Isn't that nice? And so
What are we making today?
hello, treats, caramel treats, Erin, pretzel caramel treats. Thank you for reminding me what my brain is doing. Okay, so Erin, you want to zoom in over here? So all you have to do is I found these nifty pretzels. See, they're like baskets. And you can do these any way you want to, but I'm going to show you a few ways of doing this. Jack and Bailey are under our feet because it is 3 minutes until their meal time, and so they are reminding us.
So if they bump the camera, we're sorry.
If it's waving in the wind over there. Okay.
Having to hold on to it for dear life.
Okay, so we're going to do the Rolos 2 ways. And you know, at the store, they've got these gourmet caramels, either in dark
Delicious
chocolate
goodness.
or milk chocolate, and they're sea salt caramels. Well, I've got some of those too, and I'm just going to take a very sharp knife and I'm going to cut them in half. I experimented with the 2 types with my husband, and I'll let you guys make up your mind which ones you like best. But this is so fast, you know, especially the younger children, they don't have a really long attention span. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to put the caramel cut side down on the pretzel. It's so fast, so simple, and then you know you have to wait a while after they come out of the oven. I have my oven preheated to 250 degrees, and these are going to go in for literally 2 to 3 minutes maximum, depending upon your oven. Just like that. Okay, so just so you know, why did I leave this row blank and this row blank? It's because I'm going to come in and I'm going to put these on top of that. And so we'll be back in just about 2 to 3 minutes as soon as these get soft. We're going to do caramel pretzel treats multiple ways here today. You be creative, what works for your family. So my husband's favorite way is to add another caramel on top. Literally, they were in my oven for 2 minutes. Not exaggerating. And we push just enough so that the chocolate comes through to keep the lid on, and smash down the caramel just a little bit. And you're going to want these to cool. And I'm going to guess overnight in a cool place, at least a few hours. That's one way, okay? Here's another way. You put an M&M in the center and slightly push down. This is perfect for the kids to do. It's so fun, it's so easy, doesn't take a lot of skills, but yet the rewards of compliments from family and friends is going to be enough to inspire them to cook more in the kitchen. Not that this is really cooking, it's kind of a craft, food craft, I would say. Okay, so then with these gourmet caramels, this was my husband's top favorite right here, is the gourmet caramel over the Rolo, but the Rolo is good too. And so I'm not going to do the M&Ms, but you could probably put an M&M on top through that squirty milk chocolate. And you can do this with any shape that you want, but this works the best because it all stays together. So these are the Rolos, and then of course, and if you have to stretch your caramels to make them go farther, you could probably cut those gourmet caramels in quarters to make more of them. There are 44 of the sea salt caramels in this one from Sam's Club. And so that would make 88 treats, or double that, and you have 176. So you decide which works better. And the Rolos were there was 5 pieces per serving. Wow. And so there's 35 Rolos in this bag, and it was about $6. So really, for the gourmet caramel part, I would go easily for those again. So anyway, thank you for stopping by my kitchen. What I'm gonna do is, when these are cool tomorrow, my final photo are gonna be these, and then I'm gonna put a final photo of them in a little cello gift bag and be perfect to share with neighbors for the holidays. Thank you.